Loving it. Oh, do you want to see my jacket today? I'm feeling very kind of moddy today. Got my little two-tone on. Feel like a mod doing this. Coming into work as a mod. As the oldest mod in Bristol. Welcome from me, myself, and the hairman. I'm liking that. Right, I'm going to talk about densities now. Okay, this is the best way I feel without everyone getting confused about choosing densities. I've got density charts which I can send to people, but you know, it's like it just makes it more confusing when it does that, in my opinion, right? So what I try and do, or what I do, I stamp my authority on this is I get people to send pictures of themselves before they come and see me, so I can see their glandular hair, how thick it is. Then I get them to send pictures on the internet. Go and search for a style you like and send it to me. Then when they come in for a consultation, I will say why they can have that, or why they can't have that, or why they can have part of it and mixed in with a design, yeah? And it's all about this baby right here, yeah? Getting that right, and then you can have a little bit more density on the top, or so forth. So hair density is this, okay? My density is pretty much, what's this system now, 4 or 5 months old now, so it's probably gone less than light, yeah, but it still looks really good. I gauge density by people's glandular hair, their own density. That's around the back and sides. That's what you keep in male pattern baldness, unless you're unfortunate enough to have alopecia. Yeah, so density for me is all about getting this right and getting the middle and working together for a look. I do tell people they're not having that look, you know, and I am prepared to lose clients if they want it that's going to look ridiculous, yeah? So it's like, yeah, it's what's the point, you know? So yeah, density is here. Get people to send pictures into me. Get people to send pictures prior to come and seeing of their own hair, what they want to achieve, and then I work it out like that individually with them when they come and see me. And then it's easier to explain. So that's my prompt on density. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed my two-tone suit. I'll say goodbye from me, myself, and the hairman. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look around our website at hairforall.com.